Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking on how to close your PNC Bank account. To close your PNC Bank account, you have two primary options: visiting a branch or calling customer service. Option 1, in-person closure. Gather your account information, including your account number and a valid form of identification, such as a driver's license or passport. Visit your nearest PNC Bank branch. Inform a bank representative that you would like to close your account. They will guide you through the necessary paperwork. Be prepared to receive any remaining funds in the form of a cashier's check or a transfer to another account. Option 2, phone closure. Locate your account number and have it ready. Call PNC Bank's customer service number. This number can be found on their official website or on the back of your debit card. Once connected, follow the prompts to speak with a representative about closing your account. The representative will verify your identity and process your request. They will confirm how any remaining balance will be handled, such as mailing you a check or initiating an electronic transfer. Before you close, ensure all pending transactions have cleared. Update any direct deposits or automatic payments linked to the account to avoid disruptions. Consider the implications of closing the account, such as losing access to certain banking services or fees associated with the closure. With that said, thanks for watching.